In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Instagram Reels black screen problem. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is clear your cache for the app. For that, launch settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage. Now from the list of apps, find Instagram and launch it. Click on offload app and confirm it. Then click on reinstall app. With this, your problem might be resolved. If not, you can try another solution. Launch Instagram app. Make sure you are logged in. Head over to your profile page, click on 3 bars. Once you are in the settings and activity page, scroll all the way down. Now click on this option, media quality. Make sure you have toggle off for the option, use less cellular data. Then you have toggle on for the option, upload at highest quality. Once you do that, your problem might be fixed. If the solution didn't work out for you, close this, launch settings app. Head over to the option general. Go to transfer reset iPhone, click on reset network settings and complete the process. Lastly, make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram app. So that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.